Have you ever been in an in-person live meeting and wanted to take notes or maybe have someone take notes for you, but just didn't have the resources to do that? Well, we can do that now with the Microsoft Teams mobile app and the Facilitator agent. Check this out. So I'm going to head over to Microsoft Teams and all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this. I'm in my calendar spaces right now. I'm going to hit this plus button and I'm going to hit take notes with Facilitator.
This
And
meeting is being recorded and transcribed.
so it just gave me a notification that this meeting is being transcribed and notes are being taken, which is super helpful for the audience to know that this is happening. But as I'm going along and as myself and others are speaking, I'm going to confirm that my English is that I'm using English. So as I'm speaking and other people are speaking, it's automatically going to take those notes and give me agenda and meeting notes, follow up tasks, and all of that stuff. So if you're used to the facilitator in the Microsoft Teams web and desktop app and using that during your meetings, it's the same exact thing here, but we're just doing that live in person. And what's really cool here is once we're done with this, we can hit end here and it stores those notes inside of Loop. So you can go to your Loop and find those. And what you also see is if you go back to your calendar, you'll see that there's a space, an event space that Facilitator already are automatically put in your calendar so you can reference that. And because they're in Loop and there's an invite on your calendar, these are also part of the Microsoft Graph. So you can utilize Copilot to reference those action items as well. So if you're like me and every Monday I give a prompt that says, hey, what are some action items from my previous meetings? It'll pull those notes from Facilitator and put that as part of your put it at that as part of your Copilot output. So I hope that was really cool. I'm really excited to use this feature as I go into live meetings. But with that, I hope you have an awesome day and go push some buttons. Bye.